Hello, my name is Ken Reed. We are now on page 12 of the DYO Green Building Decision Kit. We're looking at wall page number 12 under the topic Heating and Cooling. 12A is basic HVAC or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system information. 12B is choosing an HVAC contractor. 12C, fuel source, where you're getting your energy from. 12D is heating equipment. We'll examine different types of heating equipment. 12E is cooling equipment, ways to keep a home cool, mechanically and otherwise. 12F, zones. 12G, ductwork, which is very important and overlooked very often, especially good design and installation. And 12H, registers. Registers seem like a very simple idea, but there's many options out there to make sure that a room has proper throw from the register.